Hey everybody, it's Dariana, and today I'm going to be making slime, fluffy slime, and right now it's midnight,
Well, a little past midnight.
yeah, it's like 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning, and
We're doing slime with you can either use shaving foam or glue, or
you can either use foam or you can
soap
use
foam.
shaving
Soap.
cream.
Just one, like 2 squirts.
So if you're only making a little bit, you can only add 2 squirts.
You need to be back in the spot.
And then you have to add in your food coloring.
I want to offer you the school's
And mix that in very well.
I'm just gonna add my food coloring right now.
This is already kind of making slime. See, look at that. Look at, like, no lie. This is already making slime. Look, mix it. Look. You guys, this is so cool. It's already kind of coming together. What the heck? Why is there a bead in there? I'm going to add more. Because I want mine to be very fluffy.
I'm already adding my activator.
I'm adding in. I think I might keep mine this peach color and add a little bit of yellow. Actually, no, I'm not going to add any color. I'm just going to add some glitter, but not a lot of glitter. The glitter I'm going to be adding is going to be these red spike things. Like these, because like it's kind of red a little bit. I'm probably going to add a little bit of red to it. That's her slime. Oh my gosh, your fingers.
They're not dry.
Well, I added red. It's kind of pink.
Here's what I like to do. I like to add in like glitter that's the same color as the slime.
What's next?
It looks way better.
Adding some red. I think I might need to add more because so right now I'm not adding in no activator. I'm trying to make mine fluffy and her hands are like green. Show them your hands.
This was you. You have always been out to get me.
Her hands are like that color.
Is that why you started on that singer?
Just gonna keep mixing mine. I'm not
I'm
adding any activator yet because I want mine to be very fluffy, very stretchy. Because like fluffy slime, it's stretchy, it's silky, it's pretty. So
I know you look abrasive, bossy, and conceited. I'm just hurt that you chose to judge me on that wrestling on my talent.
that's what that looks like. It's really green. Yeah.
I tried the hardest.
So now I'm gonna add my activator. I'm only gonna add a little bit because it's not a lot of slime.
We need everyone to think that they're a star. We're giving everyone a chance to think they're a star. We're providing opportunities. We're opening doors. Find your voice. Stop that yard. All that crap. What does she have on you? Enough.
It's coming together. I'm gonna add a little bit more. When you make it,
detergent, you don't have to bleed all out.
where you're making the slime with borax, you do not want to add too much, or else like it's gonna be hard. But the only way to make it not hard anymore is if you put water in it and just let it sit in there for like hours.
Why do you have to hurt me to make her feel good?
Just cover herself.
So mine is coming together. It's kind of sticky, but
I'll be right back.
maybe I just need to mix it. Wish you guys can see this in person because like it's very pretty. Like there. I'm just gonna keep adding a little bit of borax at a time. I want it to come off all the sides. And so far this is going very well. It's coming off all the sides. Oh my gosh. This,
Which one's yours?
huh?
Which one's yours?
The one that has water in it. Huh? This is so fluffy. Here, let me show you what it looks like. Hold up. That's what it looks like. It's not sticky.
Good job.
You don't have to say that. I was sharp. I can't do this.
Hey, look at me. Have you noticed the more confident you are, the less you stutter? Hey, I need you to be great at regionals. To do that, you've got to know that you can do this.
You have to give this song to Rachel. She's better than me. And you know she'll quit if you don't. Let's just take one for the team.
But this is fine. It's very well. It's very pretty.
Hey, it's okay.
Feels so soft.
Thanks a lot for this, Mr. Shu. Couldn't talk more long, you know. How far was you? I don't know, a couple weeks maybe. It's pretty recent, I guess.
I love it.
What do you need me to do? You want me to set you over a plate?
So, yep, that's the slime.
No, it's not even a conversation.
I like 12 or in the morning, 8,
I
nothing
see the guys around town.
weird happened, but we're going to be
Here.
making slime
Yes.
at the devil's hour. 3
Got no future.
a.m.
I can't become one of those dudes.
So, yep, that's the slime we made. Fluffy slime. You do not always need shaving cream.
I need a football scholarship. But the only way
But since we didn't have any, we used something that did work. So, I'll see you guys again at the 3 a.m. video. Bye.
That's the football team's problem.